Hello guys! Today's upload is nagra-wrap ako ng mga gifts. Ito guys, ayan. So tatlo pa lang yung na-wrap ko na mga gifts. So ipamimigay ko siya guys sa mga pupils ko sa aming incoming na Christmas party. Ayan. So it's just a small thing, but it comes to my heart with love. Ayan, so ito guys yung mga pinamili ko kanina. Ayan, mga notebook, tsaka yung mga papel. So yan yung aking nire-wrap at ibibigay ko sa kanila. Ayan, at tsaka may kasama ding ball pen. So, kaunti lang siya guys, but it's okay. And I'm sure na magiging happy yung mga bata sa ganitong simple na mga bagay na ibibigay ko sa kanila. Ayan, so I also prepare some gifts to one of our cook in our school and to her subordinates. Ayan, so hindi ko pa na-wrap kasi kanina lang dumating, so i-wrap ko lang siya maybe tomorrow. So inuuna ko lang guys yung sa pupils ko na mga gifts na ibibigay ko kasi medyo marami-rami ito, so medyo mahihirapan ako ditong mag-adjust ng time ko kasi meron pa akong ginagawa, not only here in our house but also in the other house there. Nasa tabok lang namin or nasa neighborhood lang namin yung isang bahay. So kakayanin. And then there's plenty of time pa naman, so maybe I'm late to sleep na naman. And then mag-unbox pa ako ng mga things to remember and to be treasured na naman. Alright, so that's all guys for my sharing. So tatlo pa lang yung na-wrap ko, so meron pa akong 8 since I have 11 participants who will join the Christmas party celebration. Ayan, so at least may ibibigay sa mga pupils ko, o diba? Alright, so that's all guys. Bye-bye. That's all for my sharing and for my vlog. So stay tuned on my next uploads and video vlogs. God bless and advance Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Hey guys.